Our experience at the Podium Conference was extraordinary, if I may put it that way, because we did not only get to speak with investors that otherwise we wouldn't have the opportunity to interact with, but we got a lot of good feedback and brainstorming sessions in with investors in meetings, one-on-one meetings as well, but also just in the halls having coffee and having a good conversation and jumping in, testing out our product. Our startup not only benefits us, the founders, but also the people around us.
Happy Feet is a startup, an early stage of a startup. Our idea is to make a mobile app that scans your feet, and based on that scanning, it suggests you the best pair of shoes. We thought that since we are women and have a background of computer engineering, we thought that to bring the solution for ourselves and the women. We are still developing on our prototype, but we're getting a lot of feedback how to improve it and how to fix it, so it will be a worldwide solution. They gave us the hints how to expand locally and globally.
We are making software solution for VR devices that is going to be used in the medicine, in the fields of psychology and psychiatry, and the purpose is to improve traditional psychotherapies. We met a lot of people that can help us to improve our business, ourselves, and our startup. We learned a lot here about marketing, about how to talk with people, about how to pitch your idea, or just how to write some emails or proposals. In Bosnia and Herzegovina, some things are tough because of the political and economy situation, and also startups. For now, they don't have feeling for startups, but the main problem are big taxes